Hi, in this video today I have prepared two multiple choice questions for you, and as usual I recommend you to stop video here, read the questions, answers, choose your correct answer, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So first question: what is the name of the statistical measure used to describe sample variability? And here is the 5 answers to choose from, and imagine that we have two sets of numbers. First one would be 4, 5, and 6, and another one would be 3, 5, and 7. And as you see, the mean and median here would be the same, and this is going to be 5 in both sets of numbers, but variability in the second set would be greater than in the first set. So the correct answer would be answer C, variance. So the name for the statistical measure used to describe sample variability would be variance. And answer E, covariance, is when we have, for example, two sets of numbers that can be positively covariant or negatively covariant. And example, powerlifter, as you know, the more his oven weight, the more he can lift. So this would be positive covariance. And vice versa, the less his oven weight would be, the less he can lift. This is also would be positive covariance. And negative covariance would be consider that one set of numbers increase or one measurement and another one would decrease, so would show negative covariance. In my first example, when one measurement increased, the other measurement also increased, or if one decreased, another one also decreased. But here example would be sprinter who is running short distance, and of course the person who would be overweight would show less results. So weight increase and result decrease, and vice versa. When weight would go down, the result would go up. So this would be negative covariance. And standard error would be an estimate of the standard deviation of statistics. And now we can move to the second question. At the conclusion of meiosis, there are, and you have to choose the number of cells. And if you confused which answer to choose, here is my explanation. First of all, I want to show simple example with mitosis. In mitosis, we have one diploid cell, so 2n, and n stands for the set of chromosomes, so diploid would have two sets of chromosomes, and one diploid cell would produce two also diploid cells, so 2n. And in meiosis, we start also with diploid cell that would also produce two diploid cells, and this is going to be meiosis 1. And at the meiosis 2, at the second stage, each diploid cell would produce haploid cells. So number of sets would be 1. So half the number of the diploid cell. And this stage we call meiosis 2. And this would result in 4 haploid cells. So the correct answer would be, at the conclusion of meiosis, there are going to be 4 haploid cells. And this is answer D. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.